if you love to hate on the government, stay tuned. This video is going to talk to you about how the Biden administration is going to blend together saving money on Medicare drugs with furthering its agenda to get everybody into an electric vehicle. So headlines this week said that Medicare announces the first prescription drugs are up for negotiation. Now, don't get too excited because this does not go into effect. It will not impact you until 2026. But that was part of the Inflation Reduction Act that we were able to negotiate. Wow, 10 drugs, 10, but they're expensive drugs. They're common and the most commonly expensive drugs. So that it will help a lot of people again in 2026. So where's all this money going to go that the government saves on the negotiation for these 10 drugs? 10 of the most expensive drugs. One of the cancer drugs costs like $23,000 a month. Where's the savings going to go? Should it go to fund the Medicare program to shore it up because they tell us constantly how we're going to run out of money? Nope. Our illustrious government is taking this money and is going to reroute it into tax credits for electric vehicles. Yes, to further their climate agenda. The negotiation is basically if a company doesn't comply, they're subject to a 90% tax on their drugs. So the drug companies don't have any negotiating power here. If you're making Januvia, you're going to give it to the government cheap. And the government's going to take that savings and put it into electric car vehicle credits, $7,500 if you buy an electric vehicle. Now, that's cool, but the people on Medicare, on average, half of the people make less than $30,000. Who buys an electric vehicle? Who buys a Tesla? People that on average make $150,000. So if you're not mad, is it just me that this savings that we should be getting in the Medicare program, which is 15% of our national budget, should be going to shore up the Medicare program? But it's not. Subscribe if you like more bad news. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.